YouTubers. This is that 50-year-old lawnmower. I was using it and I noticed it wasn't cutting right. Then I looked down at the wheels. Well, that wheel that's where it was, but all the other wheels that were on this were OEM Craftsman wheels. They don't make them anymore, and they're different. They're an odd size, so that wheel was bigger than the other ones. So to get it to cut better, what I did was I had these gray wheels. I have 3 of them, and that were the same size as that one, just that one's white. Well, I decided to put those on so I get everything at the same level. Well, there's just one problem with one of the wheels. As they age, they get like this. Well, to fix that, well, I've already taken it out. Taken the come on, there we go. Taking it out. What you do is you get yourself a piece of 1/2-inch pipe. This happens to be that's the size. It doesn't have to be type H, but just 1/2-inch. And what we're going to do is we're going to, because you notice that fits in there. Well, we're going to basically measure this, mark it where my thumb is. Don't make it longer than this. Just, you can be a little bit shorter. We're going to mark it with a pen, and then we're going to make ourselves a nice little bushing to put into this wheel. To put that into this wheel, we will need to hone it out with a 5/8 drill bit, so that we can stick that in there the whole way, and then stick the wheel on. And then this wheel will probably outlast the mower. I'll show you the end product when I get to it. I need to go procure a 5/8 drill bit. I've cut this off with a pipe cutter, and then sanded down the corners to remove the burrs, the sides. So what this is going to do is this is going to sit like that, and the wheel's going to turn on that. Now I just got to hone that out to stick that in. Here's the end product. I honed it out with a drill, and then when I got it close enough, it was still snug. I mean, really snug. I tapped it in with a rubber mallet, or you can use a block of wood. You don't want to hit it too hard because it is copper, it's soft. So then all you got to do is I'm going to put some silicone lubricant on that, and let me see here. And I'll just have to put the pins in, and I'll show you it rolling. End product. Let me here. Wiggles a little bit, but that's what I would expect. So let me here.